Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile home internet. First, the quickest fix is a simple restart. Just find the power button on the back of the gateway and press it to turn it off. Wait about 12 seconds, then press it again to turn it back on. Once it powers up, check if your internet is working. If the device feels hot, it might be overheating. Turn it off, unplug it, and let it cool down for at least 5 minutes before powering it back on. Still having issues? Then try a factory reset. This will erase all your settings, so you'll have to set it up again afterward. Look for a small pinhole reset button, usually near the power button or the label. Use a paper clip or pin to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Release it and wait for the gateway to reboot. And that's it. That's how to reset your T-Mobile home internet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.